How much should you actually spend on a Granite Nonstick Cookware set? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Astercook 21 PCS set. The Astercook 21 PCS pots and pans set caught my attention with its detachable handle feature and price of $59.97, making it a solid budget-friendly choice. If you want a multifunctional cooking experience with easy storage, this is worth a serious look. This set includes a high-performance non-stick coating, which means you can cook without worrying about food sticking. The removable handle is another highlight. It secures tightly, eliminating any wobbling while you cook. With over 8,400 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, it's clear that many users appreciate its convenience and effectiveness. Now, some people complained about the handles feeling a bit fragile. Here's the thing though, as long as you handle them with care, many find that the set provides excellent value for the price. It's not the heaviest duty cookware out there, but if you're looking for something easy to clean and store, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you live in a compact kitchen or are just starting out. Skip this one if you need something ultra durable for heavy use. For under $60, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. Product number 2, SENSA RTE 13-piece set. Next up is the SENSA RTE Nonstick Cookware set, priced at $66.49. The Swiss granite coating caught my eye, and if you're looking for a safe, healthy cooking option, this is definitely worth a look. The upgraded Swiss ILAG coating means you can cook with minimal oil, which is fantastic for a healthier lifestyle. Plus, it's PFOA and PFOS free. This set includes essentials like a 9.5-inch fry pan and an 11-inch sauté pan, making it perfect for small families or couples. The flat stainless steel base makes it compatible with all stovetops, including induction, which is a huge plus for versatility. With 6,100 reviews backing its performance, users rave about its easy cleanup, just a quick wipe and you're done. However, some users mention that the stay-cool handles can get a bit warm. Here's the thing, while that can be a minor annoyance, it's manageable if you're careful with your heat settings. For casual cooking, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This set is great for those who want a reliable starter kit without breaking the bank. Skip it if you're looking for heavy-duty cookware that can withstand extreme heat. Product number 3, CAROTE 21 PCS set. The CAROTE 21 PCS pots and pans set comes in at $129.99, but don't let the price scare you, it's packed with value. If you want a comprehensive set for all your cooking needs, this one is a solid contender. The die-cast aluminum construction offers durability without the hefty weight, something we all appreciate. It even supports various cooking methods, including induction. With over 25,600 ratings, it has a solid 4.5-star rating, indicating a lot of satisfied customers. However, some users mentioned it's better to hand wash these pans. While that can feel like a hassle, I think it's not a deal breaker if you're committed to keeping them in top shape. Just think of it as a small investment in longevity. This set is perfect for anyone looking to revamp their kitchen with a complete package. Skip this if you want a simple frying pan and nothing more. Product number 4, CAROTE 26 PCS set. The CAROTE 26 PCS pots and pans set is next, retailing for $139.99. If you think you need a lot of cookware, this set has got you covered and then some. If you love to experiment with different recipes, this is definitely worth your consideration. The variety of pieces, including multiple frying pans and saucepans, means you'll always have the right tool on hand for whatever you're cooking. With the same 25,600 ratings and 4.5-star reviews, it's clear that users trust this brand. However, the size can be an issue for smaller kitchens. Some folks have noted that it takes up quite a bit of space. But if you have the room and want a fully equipped kitchen, this shouldn't hold you back. This set is perfect for home chefs who like variety in their kitchen arsenal. Skip it if you're limited on space and just need the essentials. Product number 5, CAROTE 16 PCS set. Finally, we have the CAROTE 16-piece pots and pans set at $104.99. It offers a great balance of quality and price. If you want a trustworthy set that doesn't skimp on essentials, this one deserves your attention. The reinforced die-cast aluminum construction paired with the granite coating provides a fantastic non-stick experience, making cooking and cleanup a breeze. Plus, it's also induction compatible, which adds to its versatility. With 25,600 ratings, it maintains that 4.5-star quality that many trust. Some users pointed out that it's best to avoid using metal utensils with this set. Here's the thing though, while that might be a limitation, using wooden or silicone utensils isn't a huge adjustment for most cooks. It's a minor trade-off for a fantastic cooking experience. This is ideal for anyone who wants quality cookware without the hefty price tag. Skip it if you're looking for a heavy-duty, industrial-grade option. So to wrap it all up, we've got the Astercook for budget-friendly convenience, SCN/SARTE for a healthy starter set, CAROTE's 21 PCS for comprehensive needs, their 26 PCS for kitchen enthusiasts, and finally CAROTE's 16 PCS for those who want quality without breaking the bank. Each has its strengths, so consider what fits your cooking style best.